Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do in the coming week. So Nifty is moving up still in small steps, has printed a new high this week. However, this is still not overly bullish outlook. We are very high on the curve and caution must be exercised for long in the index. You can have long in the stocks, but index would probably be more intraday itself because there is no great reward to risk. That's the monthly demand zone, no supply. On the weekly chart, we have a small bodied candle, which was a very narrow range that the index played the whole of last week, and it was more a stock specific market. That's the area of demand zone right now, which is holding. On the weekly chart, no supply zone. On the daily chart, if you see, there is no great momentum. The market lacks momentum towards the upside, though there is no momentum towards the downside as well. It's a very narrow range bound price action. It needs to be seen how this week markets will be doing, though any breakout needs to be waited for a pullback before you go long, and that too, it would be more of short-term income or intraday long trades. Once you get confirmation, probably a breach of 23,200 and a close below it would open the doors for 22,800 and a close below 22,700 odd areas or 600 would open the door for more downside. So markets still undecided. After that sharp rally after the fall, we are consolidating here. It could break out intra-week to the upside and then again come back. So watch out for the close of weekly price action. No supply, and that's the current area of demand zone on the daily chart. So if we get a turning point, let's say below 23, 300, 200, a good reward to risk opens on the short trade. But there is still no confirmation to get into shorts. Shorts will still be aggressive because we still have the smaller time frame demand zones being held. So once we break this, probably the path will be clear towards 22,850 to 22,900. Right now, longs will not be good reward to risk ratios. A quick look at India VIX, sharp reversal on the India VIX. Nothing has changed from our levels perspective. India VIX is still is now very very low, below 30. So there is a good possibility of VIX going up a little bit towards 17, but will be dependent on the global market scenario and any local news, political news that could increase the volatility. A quick look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is tad weaker as compared to Nifty. Nifty, there are multiple sectors which have taken them up each day, but Bank Nifty has failed to scale a new high. That's the demand zone, which is still in control. Next area of demand zone will be at these levels. That's 41, but that's quite far now. Monthly no supply zone, the trend still remains to the upside. On the weekly, after that last week candle, we are unable to move up. Now, if Bank Nifty starts moving up, then you could see an up move in Nifty and possibly a down move in the IT index. Because IT index is the one which took Nifty up pretty well. Uh, that's the area of demand zone on the weekly, which is still holding up. And no high given as of now. After that election week, that's the area of demand zone, which is likely to test if we fail to give a new and start coming down probably around 45,000 based on the weekly chart. Taking a quick look at the daily chart, again, similar to Nifty, the consolidation is happening in Bank Nifty. Just the difference is that the Nifty consolidation is here, Bank Nifty consolidation is here. Bank Nifty has some more room to go till at least, let's say, this gap of 50,700 or maybe even 51,000. On the downside, if we break 49,500, we could retrace back towards 49 and 48,000. Daily, that's the area of demand zone, which is holding up as of now. And that's the area from where sellers could be more and more active. Uh, on Bank Nifty, 75-minute chart shows this. There is no supply till this gap probably, but it is not finding it easy to move ahead. And sorry, we need a breach of this area probably to have a more downside towards 47,500, which may or may not happen this month. It all depends on news, and next month we have budget session. So we could see the indices being range bound, and more action could be stock specific. So avoid aggressive longs. Bank Nifty probably provides a better long opportunity as compared to Nifty, but again, there is a lot of weakness that persists in Bank Nifty. So maybe avoid trades index and be stock specific for the next 2 weeks. Hope that helps.